Hello guys and welcome back to Hunter's Builds. Today's video will feature two vehicles including the stunning first edition OCTA. So we have another OCTA in. This is now the fifth OCTA that we've worked on here at Hunter's Prestige. So there is a limitation on what products we can actually fit on these OCTAs because they're so new, and all of our products that we actually supply already are designed for the standard Defenders. So we've had quite a few in, and some of them have gone for some standard products, but there is an offering that we can do on the OCTAs, and we're also doing a lot of R&D on the OCTA as well to see what products we can offer. So this customer's brought a car into us. It's going to be the first OCTA to feature an Expedition pack. So he's going for a Land Rover Genuine ladder and also gear carrier. He's also opted in for side steps as well. I think he's going to go for Land Rover Genuine over any aftermarket. And we're also going to be adding the mud flaps on there, which the mud flaps for the OCTA are a little bit different to standard as well. So that's a lot easier for us. It's actually a replacement panel rather than actually drilling, which makes it a lot easier for our team. We're also going to be adding 110 wind deflectors to this car to beef it out and match the extended arches on the OCTAs as well. We're also going to be adding a V3 spoiler, and we do think it's a little bit weird when customers come to us and don't go for a spoiler because we fit so many of them on a regular basis. If a car leaves without a spoiler, it does look a little strange. We're also going to be doing some activations possibly on this vehicle as well. Because he's got off-road tyres, they do actually put a speed limiter on there. So we're going to do some activations, possibly on the Pivot Pro screen, and we'll see where we go from there. So let's get the vehicle in and get cracking on this build straight away. Right, so there you go guys, the OCTA is now complete and it looks absolutely wicked. Obviously we don't get that many OCTAs come in who actually ask for an Expedition pack on their vehicle, because most of the time they want it to be look as mean as possible, but to be honest it works really well. Obviously that's what the OCTA is made for. It's made to be, you can go anywhere and do anything with it, so it just helps out having the accessories fitted on this vehicle. So we've added the 110 wind deflectors which tie in really nicely with the even wider extended arches fitted on the OCTAs. We've also gone for side steps. Now they're in black as well, just to match the rest of the body panels, and we've also gone for a gear carrier in gloss black. That flows really nicely because obviously the top part of the actual vehicle is in gloss black, so it goes in really nice. We've added a V3 spoiler on the back also. That makes it look a little bit more futuristic, and every vehicle should be fitted with a spoiler in my own opinion. And we've also added the ladder on the side. So he's also added genuine Land Rover mud flaps, which we spoke about in the previous part of the video, where they are a little bit different to the standard models. You actually just remove the panel and then they fix in. So there's actually no drilling required on these cars, which should obviously hope for 160 grand worth of metal. So that is all done for the Octa. We've got another vehicle in shortly. That's having loads of retrofits. So let's get that car in, do a walk around, and then we'll tell you what's going on in the car. So the second vehicle is now here, and it's one of our personal favorites. It's a basic D250 SE Defender, which is what we like. It's got minimal retrofits. So the reason we like basic Defenders is because we can do a lot to them. And this particular build is having a lot of retrofits and also exterior parts. So a lot of the ABS plastic is going to be changed to gloss black. We're also adding a lot of accessories to this build. So let's get it in, get it stripped down, and get cracking in part 2 of the build. So there you go guys, this vehicle is now complete, and what a transformation this vehicle has been through. We completely stripped this car as soon as we got it in the vehicle bay, and all the ABS plastic has been removed from the car. And it does look like a completely different vehicle. So this vehicle is actually a 2022 plate, and it now looks like a brand new vehicle off the line. We've changed everything from the full exterior pack, so it's got a front and rear bumper pack, as well as the quarter panels and the full 6-piece on the lower door mouldings. We've also added side steps, the Union Jack with gloss black, just to follow through with that whole gloss black theme. We've also changed the wheels. So previously he had different wheels on it. So we've added 22-inch satin black with Yokohama Geolander AT tyres. And to finish off the stance and make it just perfect, we've added 25mm spacers to the rear of the vehicle and didn't put any in the front because the back just stances so much better with a 25mm gap. We've added an Eiger grey spoiler, so that's a V2 we've added on there. That ties in really, really nicely. Obviously he doesn't have a gloss black roof, so just adding a different colour spoiler ties it in and actually looks OE from standard. Towards the back of the vehicle, we've also added Land Rover Genuine smoked lights as well. We've also changed his badges on the front and also the rear. To protect the gloss black rear bumper, we've also added a V2 checker plate strip, which just protects him getting anything in and out of the vehicle. So inside the cabin, the customer's also had a spec upgrade as well. We've changed his steering wheel to a flat bottom Nappa steering wheel, and he kept the insert because he's got this nice light interior, so there's no point changing that to a dark one, and it ties in really, really nicely. He's added a ClearSight to the vehicle as well, so he can actually switch from that. If he puts lots of stuff in the boot of the car, he can still operate that, and it's a little bit nicer to use when you're driving and there's no glare. We've also upgraded the Pivot Pro screen as well, so he's opted in for a 13.1, which the 26 model years now actually come with an option to a 13.1 screen, which just makes it a little bit better for his navigation and all the entertainment on his daily commutes. With the 13.1 screen upgrade, we've also added an activation bundle, and if you want to learn more about our activation bundles, click the link below. The customer chose to have the standard gloss black Land Rover arches on this vehicle rather than the extended because he thinks it looks much better and a lot cleaner on these Defenders. We've also added the V2 bonnet inserts in gloss black just to match the rest of the theme of the vehicle, and added a LED grille light with the double line. So if you're interested in any of the products you've seen in today's video, get in contact with our sales team who are always happy to help. As always guys, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. See you on the next video.